Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing, I'm not sure what I'm going to be calling it yet, but it's basically a prom queen that is it turned evil, like a prom queen that turned evil. I'm not sure what we're going to be calling it yet, but first I just went in with some face paint. I got this face paint from Walmart. This is a cream based paint, so I like it. I like the way that it applied on my skin, and it wasn't that hard to get off. I realized while doing Halloween looks that water-based paint is a lot easier to get off than cream-based paints, but you can get them off. It's a little bit more of a struggle. So I'm just making sure that I outline the whole top part of my face, making sure that I get my ears, and then I'm going in with a black eyeshadow because I want to make the line between the face paint and my actual skin to look a little bit more seamless. And then I went in and started to apply foundation. I would suggest doing this first because it was quite hard to get the foundation up to the black eyeshadow that I just put on without transferring the black shadows onto the rest of my face. But I'm just going in with a foundation, and then I will be concealing my under eyes and putting some powder on, just like I would do when normally doing my makeup. So next I'm just going in with a dark brown eyeshadow. I wanted to keep this look kind of smoky, but I wasn't being really precise with it because when I'm done with the look, you will see that the eye look doesn't really matter that much. Like, you don't need to be really careful making sure that, you know, everything is blended out and looking great, because the look itself, you're not focusing on the eyes. The eyes is not the focus of this look. It is really the rest of the face. But I do like this purple eyeshadow that I used when I was finally done with my look. I realized that the purple really stood out a lot, so I liked that. I got these eyelashes from Walmart, and I have to say, if you are not good at putting eyelashes on, these from Kiss, I used two different kinds so far from this collection, and it was really easy to apply them. Now I'm just taking some gems and applying them to my forehead. I bought my gems from Walmart. I will link them down below. And I am applying them with some eyelash glue. I just use the Kiss brush on eyelash glue, and it worked really easy. It was really easy to apply and really easy to remove. I started using a different gem that I got at Walmart too. I think these were like the sticky back ones, so I did use two different kinds of jewels, so if they look a little bit different, that's why. Now I just went in and kind of mapped out where I wanted my black line to start, and then I went in with some of that face paint from Walmart to fill it all in. I really do suggest using like the patting motion instead of the wiping motion, because the patting motion, it just goes on a lot better than if you were to wipe it on. I used the sponge to do, because I wanted my whole body to be covered in black face paint. So I went in with a sponge, and then I think at some point I decided to go in with a brush instead. Yeah, right here. So I started using a brush, and I have to say the brush worked amazing. I think this brush is from Believe Beauty. You can get this at Dollar General for $5. And after I was done, I washed my brushes and it came completely clean. So I didn't have to worry, or I didn't have to ruin one of my makeup brushes on this look. Now I'm just going in with some more of that black face paint, and I just wanted to clean up the top line of where I first applied the face paint to my face. And then I wanted to make this look really glittery. So I ended up using black glitter that I got at Walmart again. And I applied this all over wherever I had the black, but not on top, just on my lower half. And I'm using an e.l.f., I think a bronzer brush, I'm not sure. It was more kind of a dense brush, and it went on really easy. I did not apply anything over the black face paint before I put the glitter on. I just applied the black face paint, and then I put the glitter over the top. Now I'm just taking these gems that I got from Walmart. It was like a one sheet of it, and I'm just applying 3 little gems along underneath my eyes. I don't know why. Almost like maybe she's crying. Gems? I don't know. And now I just applied this wig that I picked up from Amazon a couple years back, and then I put some black fake nails on. And this wig has a lace to it, and I didn't want to cut the lace off. So I ended up just filling it in with some black eyeshadow. And then I went and got a crown from the Dollar General, just a cheap birthday crown, and I spray painted it black, and I put that on. And then oh, I was gonna say we're done, but we're not done yet. And then what I did is I went in with this foundation. I actually don't like this foundation at all, and that's why I used it. It's the Revlon Color Stay. It's a light coverage foundation, and I just squeezed that over the black line that I placed, so it's almost like her skin is melting off her. I really like the way that it worked. This foundation, I don't remember if it's expensive or not, but it worked really good for this look. And then that's it. It completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!